Hello, my friends. Today we're going to show you something interesting. When you, with your cell phone, I have a different cell phone here because I use my cell phone for the footage. If you need to magnify something and take a photo, then you take a normal magnifying glass, this type, or this is more like a one that goes a little bit closer that the watchmakers use. Then you take your camera position and then you just put this magnifying glass underneath there, and then you go and you you just focus, resize the image what you like. Make sure it focus. Look at this, is a bit screwdriver bit, and look what you can see now. Look how nicely it is now. You can see more detail. If you want to take a close-up photo, make sure that there's enough light falling on the object. So this is just one way to if you want to see some detail, you can you say use a magnifying glass. And look at this one. This one is a more magnifying, a little bit much more than that one. Then you take your magnifying. You can normally see there's a rim of it and there's a center, and then you just focus, go closely, and you just let your cell phone focus automatically on that unit. Then you can see, look at the detail. Look at them. Sorry for my voice. You look at the detail in front there. Look how nice you can see. You must just make sure there's enough light on that object. Just focus again. Then you can play with it, and you can see, look how much detail is there. Now you can see the front point. So this is just one way for you to help you to see something nice and clear when you can't see it anymore. And another fact, interesting fact, if you use your any remote control of your TV or your radio, whatever, you don't know if it's working, but the LED in front there is an infrared LED. You can't see with the naked eye. Then there's another way to use your cell phone, because the cell phone camera picks up infrared. Now I'm just for showing you, I'm going to switch off some of the lights here. Then you go and you put your cell phone on, and then you press any button on your phone, on your remote. Let me just switch this one also off. So that's quite dark in here. Look what happened in, this is the light in front. Let's just get rid of that light. I can't see. Look there. Look inside. Look how it's pulsing. Look at that infrared light. Now you can see if the battery is still alright, or if the battery is flat or there's something else wrong. Look how it flashes. So this is a way to pick up the infrared of your control, TV control, to make sure it's working. They say the reason for this, the bad people, they use this when they break into your house in the night. They go and they take the cell phones, and then they focus it on your infrared beams to see if there's any beams inside your garden or infrared of the cameras around. Then they can see exactly if there's cameras, if there's beams before they break in, or know exactly where to walk to pass the beam. Sorry. Okay, this is just some interesting facts to use with cell phone with your use a magnifying glass, and as I say, to see if your remote is working. Okay, I hope that was interesting. Till next time, cheers.